If you want to succeed in business, it's not just about strategy, it's about mindset. Because the truth is, two people can have the same opportunity, the same resources, even the same connections, and one wins while the other stays stuck. The difference, how they think. Let's talk about the mindset you need to actually win in business. First, you have to think long term. Most people want quick money, quick results, instant success. But real entrepreneurs understand something different. They're building something that lasts. Every move they make is based on where they want to be a year from now, not just next week. If you only focus on short-term wins, you'll always feel like you're starting over. Second, you have to get comfortable with risk. Not reckless risk, calculated risk. Business is not about playing it safe. It's about making smart decisions even when there's uncertainty. Every level up in business requires a decision that feels uncomfortable. Whether it's investing in yourself, your business, or stepping into a bigger opportunity, growth requires movement. Third, you have to protect your environment. What you listen to daily matters more than you think. The conversation, the content, the people around you, they shape how you think, how you move, and how big you believe your future can be. If you're constantly surrounded by doubt, fear, and negativity, that becomes your mindset. But when you surround yourself with growth, strategy, and opportunity, everything changes. Fourth, you have to take ownership. No excuses, not the economy, not your background, not your situation. Successful entrepreneurs take responsibility for everything, wins and losses. Because when you take ownership, you take control. And when you take control, you can change the outcome. Fifth, you have to stay consistent. This is where most people fall off. They start strong. Then life happens. Then they slow down. But success in business isn't about being motivated every day. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. Consistency builds momentum. Momentum builds results. And results change everything. Now let me ask you something. Do you have the mindset to win, or are you still thinking small? Because your mindset will either build your business or limit it. If this message hit you, do me a favor. Like this video, comment mindset below so I know you're serious about leveling up, and subscribe for more content on business, funding, and growth strategies. Because we're not just talking about success here, we're building it.